Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you're interested to get more recommendation, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in comment. Today, we are going to discuss on one of my favorite stock. Yes, it's Bajaj Finserv, as you can see. To give a detail about what this company does, I'm going through their annual report. I'm reading from this. Bajaj Finserv, or BFS of the company, is the holding company for various financial services businesses under the Bajaj Group. It serves millions of customers by providing solution for asset acquisition through financial asset protection, through general insurance, family and income protection in the form of life and health insurance, and retirement and saving solution. So there are various kinds. As in the consumer finance and lending, it has Bajaj Finance Limited (BFL), a company listed on the stock exchange. In its part, BFL has a 100% subsidiary, Bajaj Housing Finance Limited, which is registered under National Housing Bank as a housing finance company. And in protections and savings, these are done through Bajaj Alliance General Insurance, and then Bajaj Alliance Life Insurance. So all this comes under Bajaj Finance. Sorry, Bajaj Finserv. So Bajaj Finance is also a stock company listed in the NSE as well as in BSE, and it is a part of the Bajaj Finserv. So, as on 31st March 2021, Bajaj Finserv held 74% of the equity capital in both Alliance General Insurance Company and Alliance Life Insurance Company. And then next comes it has an COVID-19 pandemic. As you can see, is a once in a lifetime occurrence that has brought its unimaginable sufferings to people and to the almost all sections of the economy. And Bajaj Finserv has strongly recovered this COVID-19 pandemic losses. Its results, its charts, everything speaks about how it strongly came back after the COVID 19 pandemic. Next, let's come to the. This is a brief. This one. So there are more than 50, over 50 smart products that suit everyone's need. From consumer finance, it has consumer durable loan, digital product loan, lifestyle product loan, life care finance, two-wheeler and three-wheeler loan, personal loan, home loan, loan against property. There are specific SME finance also, like working capital loan, loan to self-employed and professionals, medical equipment finance, investment. Also, there is mutual fund, term deposit, systematic deposit plan, commercial lending, vendor finance, financial institution lending, light engineering lending, specialty chemical lending. Payments are there, EMI, network card. They always most of you use the Bajaj Finance cards, co-branded credit card, co-branded wallet, life insurance. In insurance, it has strong presence, life insurance, general and health insurance distribution. Securities also there, loan against securities, IPO finance, trading account, retail broking. So all. So it is one of the largest NBFC present in India, the Bajaj Finance. Now, this is a brief about what the company does. I hope you have got understood it. And if you want more details, then you definitely go through their annual reports. It's a 339 pages document. There are many things to read about this company. Next, come to this chart. This one, the financial year. So revenue has grown year after years. From in 2018 it was 32,863, and then in 2021 it has grown to 60,591. EBITDA has increased. Net income has also increased from 2,650 to 4,470. Year after year, it has increased. Earning per share has increased. And this is a brief about. Now, here, if you come in the overview section, it's a large cap company with a market cap of 2,71,348 crore. Stock is ranked 17th. So it's a large cap company. And it's an insurance company. Stock is 2.2% volatile, as volatile as Nifty. Yes, it gives a dividend, but 0.54. It's not that good, but the return but the increase, the growth in its prices is really good and consistent. P ratio is high, yes, 60.70, but for this kind of company, um, it's okay. I would say it's not very high priced, or it is not in overbought zone at this moment. Financial trends, here you can see it has consistently increased year after year. Revenue and profit both has increased. Total promoter holding, last 6 month promoter holding in the company is almost stayed constant, good sign. Low pledge promoter holding, pledge promoter holding is insignificant, and mutual fund holding in the last 3 months, mutual fund holding of the company has almost stayed constant. This is about, and cash dividend. It last paid dividend at July 8th, 2021, rupees 3 per share. That's not, I would not say it is a good dividend, but yeah, but the growth of this company is what attracts me. Now, next come to their, this is the money control. So from here, as I can see today, it's the price is around 17,000. Yes, it's a bit cheap, but if you see its consistent growth, it's really commendable. I would show, but later I would show you at what price I bought this stock in 2020. I have bought it previously also, and then I averaged it during the COVID pandemic time, April or March, April, not March. I think April. I averaged this stock again, and it was really a good deal for me. Companies with strong financials. Now, yes, this is a good thing to show you. Big shark investors. In the big shark investors, in the individual investor, the first name that comes is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Second, Premji and Associates, Radhakishan Damani, Mukul Agarwal, all the big shots, the big sharks are invested in this stock. From Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Radhakishan Damani, Premji and Associates, everyone. Ashish Kacholia, everyone has this stock, holding this stock. So this shows its strength and its fundamental strength. And the big shots are definitely institutional investors. Are many investors are there. SBI Group, ICICI, almost all the major companies. The major mutual fund houses are holding this stock, from ELSs to large cap. All mutual funds are holding this stock. FII investors are also there. Now, this is their lease. Now, next, come to the thing that I would like to show you why I am covering this. Yes, so Sher Khan, this is a one news. Sher Khan has given to buy at a target of around buy Bajaj Finance target of rupees to 20,264. Sher Khan is bullish on Bajaj Finance, has recommended buy rating on the stock with a target price of rupees 20,264 in its research report dated November 3rd, 2021. So there are definitely reasons. 500 bps growth outperformance over FI. 21, 24 as compared to 250 bps earlier. We roll over valuations. So these are all the details why they have why they have focused on this stock, and why they have mentioned such a target. Now next come to this news. There is another news. Bajaj Finance consolidated September 2021 net sales at rupees 18,000 crore, up 19.66%. So this is another important news that came on November 2nd. Net sales has grown up by 19.66%. Quarterly net profit up 13.77%. EBITDA has up 15.22%. Earning per share has increased to rupees 70.50 from 62 in September 2020. So in 1 year, the earning per share has increased. Now next come to their technical chart. So this is the technical chart. Why I'm already holding this stock from past six, seven. I think from at least 3 to 4 years I'm holding. I'm telling you from when. I think I bought this stock first. I bought this stock in 2013 or 14. First, I bought this stock from in this period 808, and then I may have sold it. I think when it went double 800 something, and it when I got 100% profit around in May 15, I sold it completely. And then when again it started rising, I say for the second time I bought this stock in 2016 again when it was trading at around 2756, and from then I have not sold. I have, yes, made some partial profit booking, but I've never sold completely. And then my biggest profit I made during this period when 2000 in April May when it started in May when it started again rising. I bought it around 4,500 to 5,000 level. During this period, I bought this stock again and invested a quite amount in large amount in Bajaj Finserv. Yeah. And from there you can see from April if I have bought it in 5,000 and now it's trading around 17,000, 18,000. So more than almost around four times it grown in a 1.5 years, less than 1.5 years I would say. And from that period multiple times I've accumulated these stocks. And why I have again accumulating this stock now is, now let's come to the daily chart. Okay, the first thing is if you see the monthly chart here, you can see how much percentage. And if I consider this period 10 or from this period, it was 483, and in 17, in 10 years, how much it became? 50 times. Now if I consider less than, a bit less than 50 times, I guess. 450 into maybe 45, maybe 40. Let's keep it 40 times, above 40 times. So in 10 years it went high. If you had invested 10,000, दस 10,000 rupees only. If you have invested 10,000 rupees in 2010 to this period, 10 11 period, 2010 or 11, and if 10,000 rupees would have become 4 lakh by now. So this is the thing what Bajaj Finserv did. Now let's go to the daily chart, and this will speak. So it went high to the around. I think it crossed 19,000 It crossed 19,000 and it has corrected a lot after that, around 10%. It has corrected. And so, based on this Fibonacci retracement, I am again accumulating this stock today. And this level in 17,000 to 17,200, between this I'm accumulating again. Now if nifty it goes really down after this from today again, because the global trend is weak, it may go down again to this level 15,000 is the next level. But to me, I don't know what will happen to nifty, whether it will go down. I am just a small investor, and don't know what the operators will be doing, what the foreign investors are planning, what the DIIs are planning. I don't know what they're doing, what they're planning. I have my own strategies that I am following, that I will buy this stock on every dips. For this kind of strong stocks, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Reliance, I always buy this stock on dips. So that is the thing I'm doing now. It has gone around 10% correction it has made. I am accumulating this stock again. Now if falls again to 15,000, and then again I will accumulate this stock. And I will hold this stock for a longer period. Now once if it goes uh, RSI. Let's see the RSI. So the RSI is also in the lower side, I would say. It's around trading around 40, so it's in the lower side, I would say. Not overbought or oversold zone, but it's in the lower side. Now, if it goes to the overbought zone someday, then I would make partial profit, not completely sell out all of my stocks. Only a partial profit booking I will do to utilize that money in some other investment, maybe in mutual funds or in other stocks. If something seems good at that moment, that I will invest in that. So this is my analysis. I'm buying the stock again today in this range, 17,000 to 17,200, and the next my support will be this level 15,000. If this breaks this level and goes to 15,000, then I will accumulate again and I will update you. Thank you.